Become dangerously productive in 16 minutes. What if I told you that the reason your life feels stuck is because your mind has been lying to you since the day you were born? That lie is gentle enough that you barely notice it, yet it shapes every choice you make. It tells you that you are tired. It tells you that you are slow. It tells you that you do not have enough discipline to build the life you want. But that is not the truth. The truth is far more simple. You have been using your mind in a way it was never designed to work. Before we go deeper, tell me something. Which city are you joining us from, and what hour is it there? I want to know who you are and where you are listening from as we start this journey. You are not lazy. You are not broken. You are not falling behind because you lack character. You have simply been taught the wrong way to use your focus. You have been trying to fight your biology instead of working with it. And biology always wins that battle. Give me 16 minutes. I will show you why your mind crashes before noon. I will show you why you lose energy even on days when you start strong. And I will show you the shift that turns ordinary people into focused and decisive individuals. Let us tear the old system apart. You have tried. That is the part people forget. You have tried waking up early because someone told you that winners rise before the sun. You have tried planning your entire week with careful notes and long lists. You have tried downloading apps that promised clarity but only added more pressure. You have tried watching motivational videos that worked for 10 minutes and then faded away. And still, the day slips away from you before you even understand what happened. Here is the real moment of awakening. Your struggles do not come from a lack of willpower. They come from a misunderstanding of how your mind operates. Your mind was not designed for productivity. Your mind was designed for survival. It protects your energy. It avoids danger. It pulls you away from anything that feels too big or too uncertain. That is not weakness. That is biology doing its job. Your attention works in cycles. It resets again and again through the day. Your working memory can hold only 4 meaningful pieces of information at one time. Your motivation rises fast, then drops fast because it is chemical, not emotional. And your natural rhythm is unique to you. You have an energy peak that you have never studied. You have a crash point that you never understood. Tell me something. Have you ever woken up and felt you had no choice but to keep going, even when your energy was already low? Even when the day felt heavier than you expected? Share it below. You are not alone. You are not broken. You are simply using the wrong manual. So now let me show you 10 tools that turn ordinary people into unstoppable machines. The first tool is the 20-second burst. Your mind refreshes in short cycles. When you work in small, intense bursts of 20 seconds, you align yourself with your natural rhythm. Resistance falls. Momentum rises. The second tool is the temperature drop. Keep your space cool, around 68 degrees. A cooler space sharpens your focus and keeps you alert. A short, cold shower adds hours of clarity to your morning. The third tool is the 90-minute caffeine delay. Your body is naturally alert when you wake. If you drink coffee too early, you crash by noon. If you wait 90 minutes, your alertness lasts into the late afternoon. The fourth tool is the 4-item limit. Your mind cannot hold more than 4 important tasks at once. Group your tasks into sets of 4. Clarity grows. Chaos fades. The fifth tool is the if, then autopilot. When you remove decision-making, you remove friction. If it is 2 in the afternoon, then begin your priority work. If you open your laptop, then check your goals first. The sixth tool is the flow formula. You enter flow when you have a clear target, fast feedback, and the right level of difficulty. When those 3 align, work feels natural instead of heavy. The seventh tool is eliminating task switching. Every time you change tasks, you lose more than 20 minutes of concentration. Work in blocks. Messages in one block. Deep work in one block. Planning in one block. The eighth tool is visibility pressure. When someone can see you, even a stranger, you perform better. Work in a public space or join a silent virtual room. The ninth tool is 2-minute momentum. If something takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. Each win builds another. The 10th tool is your personal system. Track 1 week of your energy. Build a schedule that fits your biology. Tell me, which tool will you try first? Here is the truth that most people never want to face. You are not tired. You are disorganized. You are not unmotivated. You are misaligned. You are not falling behind because you are less capable than others. You are falling behind because other people have learned to use their biology while you keep fighting yours. And when you fight your own biology, you lose every single time. Think back to your last 7 days. Think about how many mornings you started with hope. You told yourself that this would finally be the day you focused. You told yourself that you would not waste time. You told yourself that you would not fall into the same patterns. But by the time the clock reached noon, the chaos had already returned. Your tasks were scattered. Your mind was foggy. Your patience was thin. And you felt yourself sinking into the same cycle again. This is not a weakness in your character. This is a weakness in your system. You are trying to run a modern life with an ancient brain. A brain built to detect danger, not manage deadlines. A brain built to respond to threats, not handle overloaded calendars. A brain built to conserve energy whenever it can. So every time you feel overwhelmed, your mind tries to pull you away from the work. Not because you lack discipline, but because your biology thinks you are unsafe. Let me ask you something. If you could change just one thing about your work week, what would it be? Would you choose more focus? Would you choose more energy? Would you choose a day that feels smooth instead of chaotic? Think carefully and tell me in the comments. Here is the part nobody talks about. High performers are not superhuman. They are engineered. They follow systems that simplify their life instead of complicating it. They create rules that protect their time instead of draining it. They align their mind with their actions so they do not waste energy on unnecessary battles. Now let me show you what happens when you step into that level of clarity. When you begin to use these tools, the world around you does not change, but you do. At first, the shift is quiet, subtle. You notice that your mornings do not feel as heavy. You notice that decisions come faster. You notice that your mind does not drift the way it used to. You begin to move with intention instead of panic, with clarity instead of confusion, with strength instead of hesitation. Then something else happens. People around you begin to feel your change. They see the calm in your eyes. They see the steadiness in your actions. They see the way you finish tasks without rushing. They see a version of you they did not see before. And even if they do not say it out loud, they begin to follow your energy. This is what it means to step into a new identity. You become the person who does not drown when life gets busy. You become the person who does not break when pressure rises. You become the person who can move through the day without losing your center. That confidence is built one choice at a time. You become dangerously productive, not because you force yourself to work harder, but because your entire system finally supports you. You work with your biology instead of against it. And people can feel that shift long before you even realize how far you have grown. But at the end of the day, everything comes down to one choice. Right now, you stand at a fork in the road. 2 paths, 2 futures, 2 versions of yourself waiting to be chosen. One path is familiar. It is the path where you wake up hopeful, then lose control before noon. The path where you fight your own biology and lose the same battle again and again. The path where each day feels like a repetition of the last. The other path is different. It is the path where your actions finally match your potential. The path where your energy lasts longer because it is aligned with your natural rhythm. The path where you focus without forcing yourself. The path where your momentum grows from morning to night. It is the path where you show up as the person you always knew you could be. Tell me in the comments, which path are you choosing? Type the words, "Old me," if you choose the familiar. Type the words "new me" if you choose the version of yourself that is ready to rise. If this message woke something up inside you, share it with someone who needs strength today. Someone who has been trying but struggling. Someone who deserves a fresh start. And subscribe if you want more content that pushes you to think clearly, grow intentionally, and learn English with purpose. The world will not wait for you, so choose fast. Choose with intention. Choose the version of yourself that is built for growth.